This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 44 Cloud Federation. The revolution of electric vehicles is upon us, and with it comes the need for robust charging infrastructure involving both AC and DC charging concepts, as EVs are poised to significantly load electric networks in the future. While four-wheelers have a limited presence, three-wheeler EVs have already amassed an astounding 2.5 to 3 crore units in India, emphasizing their pivotal role in shaping the nation's power system. EV charging operates in four distinct modes: direct socket, portable with control box, permanent AC installations with integrated control boxes, and external DC to DC converters for direct DC charging, catering to various charging needs. As the EV landscape evolves, a multitude of charging connectors and standards have emerged, with different regions adopting their own specifications such as Type 1 and Type 2 for AC charging, and CHAdeMU, COMBO, and Tesla's proprietary connectors for DC charging. At the heart of the EV charging system lies a multi-stage architecture, with the EVSE acting as the critical interface connecting the charger to the electrical supply, governed by stringent BIS standards ensuring safety and compliance. Smart charging concepts offer a range of advantages, from optimizing grid capacity and reducing costs to enabling load balancing and avoiding the need for new generation capacity, making it a crucial aspect of widespread EV adoption. India has embraced a comprehensive set of standards to ensure interoperability, with charging interfaces adhering to IEC 62196, communication protocols aligning with ISO 15118 and ISO 11898, and conductive systems complying with IEC 61851 norms. A practical demonstration unveils the inner workings of an EV charger, showcasing off-board power conversion units, rectifiers, safety circuits, and battery management systems, all working in harmony to deliver a seamless charging experience. However, fast charging poses challenges, as higher charging currents lead to increased losses, reduced battery capacity, and accelerated degradation due to heat generation, necessitating thicker, less flexible cables to accommodate the power demands. As we conclude this journey through the world of EV charging systems, we are encouraged to delve deeper into the literature, armed with the knowledge that standards, smart charging, and overcoming fast charging limitations will shape the future of sustainable mobility. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.